I will separate the sardines from 2 cans of oil. I will chop the parsley and the onion. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I separated the sardine from the oil, and now I will shred it with a fork. I add parsley and onion. I'll add 2 eggs. Add salt to taste. I add pepper. Sweet ground pepper. I add dry organic seasoning. And how I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. I'll stir. Grated surface of the peel of 1 lemon. I wash the lemon with bicarbonate of soda. I will add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'll mix it all up. Sprinkle some almond flour on the work surface. I will make a patty from the prepared mixture. I will roll it in almond flour. I pour olive oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I put the burgers on the heated oil and fry them for 3 minutes on both sides. Burgers prepared this way are extremely healthy. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.